It's Jay the insurance guy, and sometimes insurance is only as good as your agent. One thing I just want to know about anyone out there other than me, does it seem like accidents happen unexpectedly? I've rolled my ankle before, I fell before. People fall sometimes when they're young, and they fall sometimes when they get old. Well, if that's the case with you, or if you have a job that is kind of hazardous, maybe you're a roofer, maybe you're in construction, maybe you build fence, or maybe just a farmer and someone who works in a rural area, maybe you work with cattle. Whatever it is, you're going to need an accident policy. Now, there's plenty of accident policies out there, but the accident policies I'm going to show you, I can guarantee you're not going to see anything like it. Let's get right to it. Now, these are the inpatient benefits. I'll read these off to you really quickly. There's a hospital confinement benefit up to $8,000 per month. That's $266 per day. There's a hospital early release bonus up to $4,000 per month. There's an ambulance bonus, ambulance benefit of $500. There's inpatient and outpatient benefits for surgery up to $1,800. There's a fracture benefit up to $9,000. Hip, broken thigh, or forearm, there's fracture benefits as well. Outpatient therapy, and there's also emergency medical fees up to the actual charges of $200. There's also an accidental death and dismemberment as far as the benefits go with that. No one likes to talk about it, but it's there. $40,000 for accidental death. Double dismemberment is $40,000. Single dismemberment is $20,000. There's an inflation fighter benefit as well, basically to combat the cost of your medical care. Available with this particular accident plan, it has an inflation fighter that offers protection for today and tomorrow when the high cost of the accidental injury can go up. And you see here how the benefits in the first year, after the first full year, after the 10th year, and after the 20th year, how those benefits will continue to go up with the inflation fighter. Here are the advantages of this particular accident policy called Comp Care. It has a lifetime renewability. It has the assured payments that you're going to pay every month. It has direct benefits. No matter who else you have, this policy is going to cover you no matter what other benefits you have. The benefits are never going to be reduced to you. It covers your whole family. There is no lifetime maximum on some of the benefits, so it's going to be stability that you really want with the plan. And here's a huge feature of this particular plan. It's the return of premium benefit. That means it gives you coverage for today with the promise of money back in the future. To basically break it down for you, let's say you paid so much in your premium payments per year and you never have a claim. Well, guess what? You're going to get 100% of your money back. Let's say you pay so much in your premiums and you have a small claim, some type of a fracture, broken arm, something small, up to $2,000. Guess what? You're still going to get 100% of your money back. Let's say you have a large claim for some reason, a really large break, cost, start adding up. You pay so much in premiums, it's a $40,000 bill, but guess what? You're still going to get all of your money back that you have paid into this plan. This return of premium benefit basically secures you and your family. It's an investment to take care of you for extra money if you ever need it. And if you don't need it, you get your money back. But if you do need it, you still get all of your money back. That's the first accident plan. I'll show you the next one. Now, this accidental plan, I guarantee I have not found anyone in the industry that can match it. It is so big, it is so huge for this accidental plan right here. I'm going to have to go through it really, really quickly because the benefits can go on for days, literally. All right, right now I'm going to go over the level 4 plan. Let's say there's a hospital confinement that you have a benefit of $2,000. There's also an observation unit benefit that can go up to $1,000 per day. There's an ICU confinement lump sum benefit you'll get just for being in ICU, that's $2,000. There's an ICU confinement benefit of $1,000 per day. There's emergency room benefits, $300 a day for the adult, $150 a day for the child. Also, there's an ambulance benefit of $500, and also the air is $2,500. There's transportation other than the ambulance that you may have to take to the hospital. That's $1,000 per trip to the hospital. The family lodging benefit, if you have to stay in the hotel room for an immediate family member during a hospitalization, $175 for that. Physician's office benefit is $90. Rehab facility is $175 a day. Outpatient therapy is $100 per day. Also, medical imaging is $50 or $300 for the X-ray or CT scan. Medical appliances, $175. Prosthesis, $1,250. Blood and plasma, $400. Epidural, $100. Emergency dental work is $500. Let's say an implant or a crown has to be replaced because of a broken tooth. But also, anything resulting in an extraction is $125 for that benefit, and there's more. There's a concussion benefit of $100. If you happen to, God forbid, you go into a coma, there's also a $10,000 benefit for that. And there's also fracture benefits. Now, I'm going to go through these. This is just a list of all the fractures. Hip and thigh, $4,800. Vertebrae, $4,300. Pelvis, $3,900. Skull, $3,600. Leg, $3,000. Foot, ankle, or your kneecap, $2,400. Your forearm or your hand is $2,400 as well. Upper arm or maybe your jaw, $1,800. Facial bones, $1,500. Nose, toe, or maybe your rib or finger, $350. There's so much, I'm starting to get tongue twisted. But wait, here's a list of the dislocations really quickly. If you got a hip, $4,800. That does happen whenever you get older. Hip dislocation, $4,800. It pays out. Kneecap, $3,400. Foot or ankle, $2,100. Wrist, elbow, hand. Also, there's lacerations over 5 inches, anywhere from 2 to 5 inches, and also up to 2 inches. That has a payout. Any type of injury requiring surgery, there's a payout for single or multiple tendon surgeries, as well as a ruptured disc, $1,200. Rotator cuff, $1,800. Or skin grafts, $900. It pays out $250,000 for a common carrier accidental death benefit for the policy owner or the spouse. Also, any type of motorized vehicle or pedestrian accident that leads to death, that also has a $250,000 payout. And then any other accidental death, you fall off a ladder, something that leads to some type of a death that was caused by the accident, that's $125,000. This plan, as far as the benefits, no one can touch. The only difference between this one and the other one, this one is minus claims. You get your money back. The other one gives your money back no matter what. That is why I love both of these plans. You decide which one is best for you.